MACD has three components, and most people couldn't tell you what any of them actually represent. Two lines and a histogram, all based on moving averages, all doing different jobs. Once you see what each one is measuring, the whole indicator clicks into place. I'm Isiah from the Investor Center. This is episode 4 of our indicator series. Last time we covered RSI, which measures momentum using a single line. MACD also measures momentum, but it does it by comparing two moving averages. Here's how it works. MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The name sounds complicated, but it's describing exactly what the indicator does. It tracks when two moving averages are moving towards each other or away from each other. There are three parts to MACD. The first is the MACD line itself. This is calculated by taking a 12-period exponential moving average and subtracting the 26-period exponential moving average from it. In plain terms, it's comparing a faster average to a slower one. When the faster average is above the slower, the MACD line is positive. When it's below, the line is negative. The second part is the signal line. This is a 9-period moving average of the MACD line itself. Because it's averaging out the MACD's line recent values, it reacts slower and trails behind it. That lag between the two lines is the whole basis of MACD's crossover signals. And the third part is the histogram, those bars you see sitting around the zero line. All the histogram does is show the distance between the MACD line and the signal line. When the bars are getting bigger, the two lines are moving apart. When the bar's shrinking, the two lines are coming back together. So how do you actually read all of this? The most commonly referenced event on MACD is the crossover. When the MACD line crosses above the single line, momentum is considered to be shifting in a bullish direction. When it crosses below, momentum is shifting bearish. You'll see this reflected in the histogram flipping from one side of the zero line to the other. The zero line itself is also significant. When both lines are above zero, the faster moving average is above the slower one, which generally aligns with an uptrend. Below zero, the opposite. And then there's the histogram size. Growing bars suggest momentum is building. Shrinking bars suggest momentum is fading, even if price hasn't reversed yet. This is one of the more useful things MACD can show you, the early signs that a move may be losing steam before the price chart makes it obvious. Now, here's where MACD falls short. It's a lagging indicator. Everything it calculates is based on past price data. Moving averages by definition look backwards. So MACD is very good at confirming what has already started to happen, but it's not designed to predict what's about to happen. In choppy sideways markets, MACD crossovers can fire constantly without any meaningful follow through. If you've ever actually looked at MACD during a ranging market, you'll have seen the lines crossing back and forth around zero, with the histogram flipping every few candles. That's not a useful signal, that's just noise. This is why most traders pair MACD with other tools that can help filter out those conditions. Something like ATR, which we covered in episode 1, can help with exactly that by showing you whether there's actually enough volatility in the market for momentum signals to mean something. If you want to try pairing these indicators yourself, we've got a video showing you how to connect your broker to TradingView so you can follow along on a live chart. I'll link that down below. If this series is helping you so far, subscribing genuinely helps us keep making these videos for you. And drop a comment below if there's an indicator that you want us to break down next. So far, we've now covered ATR, Bollinger Bands, RSI, and MACD, 2 volatility indicators and 2 momentum indicators. Next up, we're covering Fibonacci retracements, which are built on a completely different idea to anything we've looked at so far. That one's coming soon. I'm Isiah from the Investor Center, and we'll see you in the next one.